Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Little Super Kids. Now we all go to the supermarket and have also eaten lots of fruits. But do you know the name of the fruit starting from A to until Z? If you can, very nice. But if you can't, then let's learn it together. Ready? A is for apple. Science of growing apple is pomology. B is for bananas. Banana can float in water as they are less dense. C is for cherry. Cherries are low-calorie fruit belonging to the rose family. D is for dragon fruit. Dragon fruit is an exotic cactus fruit. E is for elderberry. People have been eating them since stone age. F is for figs. Fig trees have no blossom on their branch. G is for grapes. Grapes are rich in vitamin K and C. H is for honeydew. It was a jackfruit fruit of ancient Egyptians. I is for Indian gooseberry. It is a rich source of vitamin C. J is for jackfruit. Its seeds are edible and have a milky sweet taste. K is for kiwi. Kiwi fruit have 2 times more vitamin C than oranges. L is for lychee. Lychee seeds are poison and shouldn't be eaten. M is for mango. Over 500 types of mangoes are grown in world. N is for nectarine. It belongs to family of peaches. O is for orange. It is the largest citrus fruit in the world. P is for pear. A medium pear has 100 calories. Q is for quince. It tastes like a blend of apple and pear. R is for rambutan. Malay word rambutan means hair since it's a hairy fruit. S is for saffron. It helps to control blood pressure and promote weight loss. T is for tomato. Tomato is a fruit and not a vegetable. U is for ugly. Jamaican citrus is a hybrid of grapefruit and tangerine. V is for vanilla bean. Its flower lasts only 1 day. W is for watermelon. It is a fruit and also a vegetable. X is for sugar. It is the other name of the yellow watermelon. Y is for yuzu. It is a yellow-green citrus fruit. Z is for zucchini. It belongs to squash family and can be eaten raw or cooked. Thank you everyone. Keep watching Little Super Kids. See you until next.